Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi 15. This version 6GB memory and 128GB storage in midnight black color with huge battery, 7000 mAh battery, huge display, 6.8 Full HD display. Okay, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have only adapter for only Type-C cable and protected back cover without adapter for charging. Okay, massive device with big battery and large display. On the back side, double camera, power button, wall buttons on this side, slot for SIM cards, Type-C port, and without headphones jack device. Turn on display, we have IPS display, HD plus resolution 144 Hz. Open settings, about phone, we have HyperOS 2.0.2 and Android 15. Okay, close this, open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU Snapdragon 685, this octa-core processor, and Adreno 610 GPU, single core score, multi-core score results. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark, close this, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and load on the low graphic level, only on this level. Okay, no, games works normal. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.